miss my friends in Ukraine.
Seorang pria diduga Tentara Bayaran Amerika Serikat yang berada di Ukraina menangis di depan kamera. Ia menceritakan suasana mencekam dalam peperangan Rusia versus Ukraina. Rekamannya ramai beredar di Telegram pada Rabu 11 Januari 2023. Semua dihabisi oleh serangan Rusia, kata tentara bayaran tersebut sambil menangis di depan kamera. Pria yang disebut Veteran Amerika Mark Lindquist yang pergi ke Ukraina sebagai tentara bayaran mengaku merindukan rekan-rekannya. Mark belakangan juga dikabarkan menghabiskan waktu istirahat malamnya di alam terbuka di Fargo, North Dakota untuk meningkatkan kesadaran masyarakat tentang kebutuhan rakyat Ukraina di tengah perang. Ia mengunjungi negara itu tahun lalu dan sejak itu fokus berdonasi bagi rakyat Ukraina.
How are we standing by and letting people be annihilated by missiles? And we're doing nothing. I know people in Ukraine who, if I don't do it, there's nobody else trying to save the lives of their friends. There's nobody else trying to help them but me and my buddies. And we're all tired. And we're all out of money because we spend everything we have because money doesn't matter when you can save someone's life with it. And I'm trying to do everything that I can. Yesterday I met two soldiers who'd flown into America for prosthetics. Because they can't get high quality ones where they are because there's too many people without legs. So what do we have to do? I had to sleep in a tent in Fargo and 40 below to get people's attention. And we're forgetting to think about the most important thing on earth, which is Ukraine. I'll lead. You follow. We have to get the whole country to start acting against these atrocities and for the people. They're people with families and friends, and they go out to trenches and they don't have the weapons necessary to do anything but just sit there in the trench and wait to get shelled. Because when your artillery goes 40 kilometers and the enemy's goes 80, what do? You just sit there and wait.
Sejauh ini selama invasi berlangsung, Rusia secara total melaporkan 371 pesawat Ukraina, 200 helikopter dan 2.868 kendaraan udara tak berawak dieliminir oleh pasukan Vladimir Putin. Sementara itu dari kubu Kiev, Kementerian Pertahanan Ukraina melaporkan 490 tentara Rusia dieliminir dalam 24 jam terakhir. Total 112.960 prajurit Federasi Rusia meninggal sejak awal konflik hingga hari ke-323.